Imagine a world where towering glaciers, once a symbol of pristine wilderness, disappear. In this video, we'll explore the dramatic consequences of a scenario where all the glaciers on Earth melt. From rising sea levels to altered weather patterns, the impacts are far-reaching and demand our attention. Let's dive into the chilling reality of what could happen if all the glaciers melted. Glaciers, slow-moving masses of ice, are retreating at an alarming rate due to global warming. As temperatures rise, these ancient ice formations are melting, adding massive volumes of water to the oceans. The immediate consequence? Rising sea levels. As glaciers melt, they contribute to the swelling of oceans, threatening coastal cities and low-lying areas worldwide. The sea level rise disrupts lives, displaces communities, and damages critical infrastructure. Coastal areas become vulnerable to flooding, eroding shorelines, and storm surges, causing billions in economic losses and forcing millions to migrate inland. Saltwater intrusion contaminates freshwater sources, rendering them undrinkable and impacting agriculture. The delicate balance of coastal ecosystems is disturbed, endangering marine life and biodiversity. The disappearance of glaciers also affects global weather patterns. The reflection of sunlight by glaciers, known as the albedo effect, plays a role in regulating temperatures. As glaciers vanish, more heat is absorbed, leading to altered weather systems and increased extreme events. The loss of glaciers disrupts traditional precipitation patterns, causing droughts in some regions and excessive rainfall in others. This can have devastating consequences on agriculture, water resources, and ecosystems. Ecosystem and biodiversity impact. Glaciers support unique ecosystems and habitats, home to diverse plant and animal species. With their disappearance, these ecosystems are disrupted, endangering species that rely on cold environments. The impact ripples through food chains and ecosystems, affecting predators, prey, and the delicate balance of nature. Biodiversity loss becomes a stark reality. ACT 5. Mitigation and hope. The melting of glaciers is a dire warning, but it's not too late. Transitioning to renewable energy sources, reforestation, and global efforts to reduce greenhouse gas emissions can help slow down the glacier melt and mitigate its effects. Scientists, activists, and individuals around the world are raising awareness and working towards a more sustainable future. Together, we can make a difference and protect our planet for generations to come. The melting of glaciers is a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of Earth's systems and the urgency of addressing climate change. By understanding the potential consequences of this scenario, we can inspire action and drive change, ensuring a more resilient and vibrant planet for all. The effects of melting glaciers extend beyond the environment, impacting economies and global stability. Coastal cities facing inundation suffer immense economic losses, while damaged infrastructure strains budgets. Geopolitical tensions rise as nations compete for dwindling resources, leading to conflicts over water and land. Rising sea levels and disrupted weather patterns could trigger a refugee crisis, with millions forced to flee their homes. Competition for resources like fresh water and arable land could exacerbate existing conflicts, further destabilizing regions. Glaciers hold cultural and spiritual significance for many indigenous communities. The disappearance of these icy landscapes threatens traditional ways of life, eroding cultural heritage and indigenous knowledge. Efforts to preserve these cultures become more vital than ever. The loss of glaciers sparks a growing interest in ecotourism and educational programs focused on climate change. This newfound awareness fosters a sense of responsibility and motivates people to take action in their communities. The melting of glaciers is a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of Earth's systems and the urgency of addressing climate change. By understanding the potential consequences of this scenario, we can inspire action and drive change, ensuring a more resilient and vibrant planet for all.